In this video, I will show you how to enable HDR plus in your Samsung laptops. So you can see here with HDR plus, you can see blurry or dark parts more clearly when watching movies, viewing photos, or playing games. Let me show you how you can enable this feature called HDR plus. Let's start this video. Go to your window and search here Samsung settings, or you can simply search settings. You will see Samsung settings below. Click on it. Okay. After that, you will be able to enter Samsung settings. Click on display. Okay. After clicking on display, you will be able to see uh, many modes for customizing your display. From here, you can enable HDR plus mode. Okay. There are two modes. First is normal and second is bright. You will be able to see the difference in your laptop if you try by yourself. Okay, so go ahead and try to enable HDR plus.